Well, because I'm sorry. You know we forgot to say our grace. But I'm going to say it now for the video. I'm going to say it now for the Amen. There y'all go. We were so hungry, wasn't even thinking. Forgive us. Forgive us. Forgive us. Hey Sugar Wugas, what's up? I'm about to do another video. Look at Mason in the back. Say hi, Mason.
Hi.
You getting a Happy Meal?
Yeah.
I'm getting a Happy Meal. Be right back. And we are back. We had to go through the drive-thru. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I do another video. Also, if you always come by, thank you for always showing Sugar Mama some love, y'all. Okay, today we are having McDonald's. You know Mason had to have his Happy Meal. He got a 6-piece with fries and a drink and a toy and apple slices. I got me a Big Mac. I haven't had a Big Mac in a long time. Hope it don't do nothing to my stomach, y'all. But anyway, we sitting over here at the market. I had to bring my aunt to the market. And I said, well, while she's in the market, we're going to eat McDonald's. And I'm going to show my Sugar Wugas something today. Look at that. Well, if you can't see me, I'm sorry. Because you know how it is doing a car mukbang. Anyway, and I got a fry.
Got chicken nuggets.
And he got chicken nuggets. Want me to show it to him? Yeah. Okay, let me show it to him. There go the nuggets, y'all. And he got his little fries in the box. But you know what? After I, do this, I'm going to dump these fries right here. See that? I'm going to dump the fries right there. Can y'all can see? Okay. And I got me, I'm going to put some pepper and salt on my fries and some ketchup. And then I'm going to go ahead and hold it up so y'all can see what I'm eating. Although I already told y'all. So, after she come out of the market, I'm going to drop her and Mason off. And then I have to go to work. Yes, I do. I got to go to work. I got to go to work. And I'm putting some ketchup on there, y'all. I'm going to put some ketchup on there. Let me see if it comes out. Yeah, I like mine to come out like that, y'all. Some ketchup. Was it good? You heard him? He's like, y'all want the first bite? Y'all can have the first bite if you like. Big Mac. There y'all go. Take the first bite. Take the first bite. Let me see. Okay. Huh?
What did this French fries?
Okay, go ahead. He's gonna work himself up there, y'all. Get y'all over here. He trying to get y'all from smile. Sit back. So Sugar Wugas can see y'all. See you. Put this coat down or something. Let me see.
Excuse me.
Here goes Nacra. It's good. The first set of fries they gave me, y'all, wasn't happening. Wasn't happening. I said, did these just come up? He said, you want some fresh fries? Yes, I want some fresh fries. Why wouldn't I want fresh fries, y'all? Why wouldn't I want fresh fries?
This one's sitting on the white French fries.
Y'all, hope this Big Mac don't get to my stomach. So, over the weekend, you guys, Suga Wugas took Mason to the Jurassic Park quest. It was so much fun. It was so much fun. I'm put a little clip in so y'all can see. Look at that. Hey Mason, he eats plants? Mason really enjoyed himself. He got a dinosaur that's bigger than him, a dinosaur balloon.
Yeah.
Did you have fun, Mason?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
You seen all the dinosaurs? He rode on a dinosaur.
And I went on a dinosaur.
You did. He said he went on a dinosaur. Yup, you did. He's being a big boy and being brave. Yup. Y'all want some more? Mason, we didn't do a thumbnail.
I got in there more fish fries.
Uh-oh, here you come. Uh-oh. Yeah, who's struggling? There you go. He don't care.
How much more fish nuggets?
Hmm?
Mommy, eat one.
Go ahead. Okay. Y'all hang in there. He done got off the camera. They can't even see you.
They can't. They don't see me.
Oh. I got a Coke. No, I had a Coke.
I got a Coke. A Korean Coke.
You got Sprite.
Yeah.
Sprite. Excuse me.
I can burp. You burp.
Hey y'all, wait a minute. I know this is probably a big deal for some of you guys as YouTubers and everything, but it's okay with me. It's a little bit. How can I train them? I don't know, but I still was happy. It doesn't matter. I was happy. I finally got 300 subscribers, y'all. 300 subscribers. I'm sure if I was more consistent, it would have been. The number would have been a little higher, but no, I'm not like, oh my god, I gotta get it. But the numbers are always appreciative. It is. Oh yeah. I looked. I said, wow, 300 subscribers. Good job.
Now that's your burp. That's your burp.
Alright, well, I guess you say slow progress is better than no progress, right?
Right?
Right. I mean, I keep saying, the way my life is set up, y'all, I'm just so busy. Just working and working.
It wasn't working.
Yeah.
Mm.
She's so busy. So
So
busy.
busy.
You busy.
No, you're busy.
You busy. I'm sitting still. I'm eating. You
What?
moving all over the place. Busy, right?
What?
Look.
Tell me toy behind you.
Okay.
What? I got like toy there.
Where your toy at?
It's right there.
Get it. Uh-oh, here you go. Yeah, I see him. Boom. I'm getting full, y'all.
I can't afford to.
How you getting full, too?
Because I can't afford. I'm going to show you with my toys.
You gotta put it together. This look like little pieces.
Yeah.
I'm over here looking at them.
I put this together.
Because y'all, look.
Oh boy. I gave them
I'm over here doing a video, y'all. And oh look, I was saying something. My aunt just called me. I can see if she come out the door, but I know she's not done making market. Oh yeah. Mason, you finished eating?
No.
You not?
No.
What you looking for? Uh-oh, he's upset. You gonna get upset with, you gonna show the Sugar Woogers you getting upset over a piece of toy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were here.
We'll find it in a little bit. We'll find it, okay? I promise you. His whole world just shut down.
Yeah, just one day. Because you could do what you did.
Sugar Woogers, tell Mason don't cry.
I just did for you know.
I know. Is it back there?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just right there.
These little pieces of toys he be getting from McDonald's, you gotta put it together, but it's so, look, like this. But you gotta put it together. Little teeny weeny toys. This whole world shut down. Part of it is probably in the back. Look at him. He don't care about us, Sugar Woogers.
I didn't find this.
He don't not care about us.
I just find it.
Did you find it?
Yeah. Okay.
Don't mind us. What you see is what you get, Sugar Woogers.
What?
I don't do too much editing. I don't.
Mommy,
Hmm?
I don't know where these pieces go. Because these pieces go together. I don't know where these pieces go to.
I thought you was eating with me so we can show the Sugar Woogers what we was eating. Well, we already showed you. Look at him. Yeah, do what he want to do.
I don't know where these pieces go.
I'm gonna do it.
You go do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Because these pieces have to go ahead.
I'm full, y'all. Your Big Mac gone.
I'm going to eat mine. Because
Oh, excuse me.
okay.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Yes, I am. No, you're not done.
I just do a video. My little Willis.
Woo! Excuse me. She's in the supermarket giants. Okay. Come on. Get in the camera so we can close it out. Get in the camera. Come on. Okay? Alright. Okay, Sugar Wugas. I'm about to let you go if you already didn't let us go. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thumbs up this video. Say thumbs up this video, Mason.
Just a video.
Thumbs up the video. Okay? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. Do not forget to do anything. Just let everybody know what I'm doing over here on this channel, y'all. Show Sugar Mama some love. Okay? Now, you know I'm not going to leave you guys without a great big hug for you and for me. You want to get a Sugar Wugas a hug, Mason?
Yeah.
Okay, come on over here so they can see you. Okay, here's your hug. They ain't see you do that. Do it. Give them a hug. Okay, Sugar Wugas. See y'all on our next video.